So this is the next question. You have 12 bananas. There they are. And we've got to look at sharing the bananas between 2 children, 4 children and 6 children. So when you work out this question, all you are doing for the first part is solving the 2 children bit. So you've got to think of these as 1, 2 and 3 separate questions. Okay. So if we were sharing them between 2 children, we'd have the 12 bananas and we'd have 2 children. And we would share them equally. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So how many is in each? 6. Remember when we look at a division number sentence, 12 is the total number that we have. We've shared them into 2, and then the amount in each group is 6. So that's thinking about that learning intention again. What is the total number? How many groups do we have? And how many are in each group? So to solve or complete the first question, how many are in each? 6. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. What I would like you to do now is have a go at these two. So it says, how many for 4 children and how many for 6 children? Have a go at that now. Pause the video.